also proposed the introduction and passage of a new comprehensive consumer promotion protection bill that incorporates the following: classify deception in promotion as a criminal liability of the management and officers of the sponsoring corporation. As such, this disturbs public order, just like bouncing checks. Their penalty should not be 150,000, but 100 million, so that it should be very painful to them. And then, last, but at least, establishment of consumer tribunal to handle consumer-related cases involving deceptive promotions, advertising, and filthy products. We have been having the loot with several filthy products, not only of Pepsi-Cola, but also of Coca-Cola, to be fair. Not only Pepsi, but Coca-Cola. And lastly, I want to stress here from our thought that it should be included, that it will be, that public officials should be barred from entering into compromise with the airing company in a consumer crisis, consumer issue, pending exhaustive hearing to be conducted before the consumers. Final word. We hope and pray that our distinguished members of Congress seize this opportunity to demonstrate that they are true representatives of the people and not of business interests who thrive on the exploitation of our chronic problems as a nation. For in behalf of Coalition 349 members and other groups of claimants throughout the Philippines seeking justice in the Pepsi number fever promotion. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you very much, Attorney Del Fierro. Well, this is very enlightening because I, for one, I am in support for consumer protection, and we here in Congress are studying measures how to protect consumers. However, there are other accusations here which we must take into consideration. One of which is, of course, you have accused DTI officials for having too lenient in passing judgment on Pepsi. In other words, that is what this committee will try to find out also today, because, for instance, we have here one vital witness of DTI under Secretary Odonia.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Good afternoon to all members of the House of Representatives. Your Honors. If the accusation is that we were too lenient, we would like to say that we are on record in the Senate hearing that we felt that the minimum, that the fine that we can impose should be 3 million, not limited to a maximum of 150,000. Let me inform you that in the penal code, I think it's set at 10,000, and we're using an order that will give the heaviest penalty. The heaviest penalty allowed by law. See, we're not allowed to violate the law. We're only allowed to follow the law. The maximum was 150,000. And let me say that we hit the maximum 150,000, but we are on record in the Senate that we believe it should reach 3 million. So we'd like to say that for an offense, we believe 150,000 is too light, but we cannot but follow the law. Secondly, we'd like to state that on the day this controversy occurred, we personally went to the acting secretary and told her to inform Pepsi, and they agreed that they would cancel the continuation because we felt that to continue it further might prolong in its days. Consequently, Pepsi and DTI agreed. They stopped the form and they announced the numbers immediately. Then within 1 week, I personally created a task force, and within 1 month, task force came out with the findings. And in the findings, it said, and I quote, that there may have been a violation of an administrative order. We want to let you know this, no? DTI does not handle criminal or civil difficulties, only administrative. So we do not have the activity to go into whether it's maliciousness or deceit. We can only look at whether they follow the rules or not. And let me inform the honorable body here that 1 month after the creation of the task force, we already had the findings, and this was under my bureau, the Bureau of Domestic Regulation. I continued the task force with private sector representatives, Denny Reyes, attorney from UP Law Center. And they said that there may have been a violation in the sense that the explanation or the use of the security code may have been changed. This is an administrative order. They must tell DTI all the rules before they do anything. Now, they said there was a change, the position that there was a change in the security code without DTI being informed has to be addressed properly. Why did they not say it was definitely illegal? It is because there's a gray area. The gray area is that in the poster it says, and I quote, that there has to be a number and a security code. But our complaint was that why was this not emphasized enough? And in an abridgment they said this will differentiate the original from the fake numbers. But we know that 349 is not fake. We know it is true, original. Therefore, they neglected to explain this other aspect. But since it is not a black and white situation, we said that there may have been a change and it has to be addressed. Then, after that, we submitted it already to legal affairs. That's under another undersecretary. That's under legal. I'm under state regulation consumer protection. They did their own study and they felt that there was some basis. So, on August 4th, we filed the violation. We filed the violation. In the violation, it says there that we must investigate this. And therefore, we must hear both sides. Okay. What happened then is that Pepsi is not under me now, under Secretary Bautista, who is now abroad now, as an ambassador. Alright, under her jurisdiction of the legal affairs, then said that they received from one of my bureaus a statement of violation. We'd like to say that if you were to be technical about it, no. It says, and even in our complaint, it says very categorically that it must have a security code to win, the right security code. Now, I think for honorable members to know how this works, no? What they do is, it is not like bingo, where you have B52 and you win. It is, however, specific rounds. They know the exact number of rounds. They have 800,000 rounds with 246. No? They know how many there are. And then they have these crowns. And the crown that says 23 will win, only 20 will win. Each crown, ideally, has a different security code. Because it is the same, and we explain it, and everybody will face it. That's why it's easy to face. So the security code originally, was to differentiate the fake from the non-fake. That's what Senator Fierro showed on the screen. But now, that they had a winning and non-winning number, it is clear that the non-winning 349 is not taken. It's true. It's really produced by Pepsi. But the security code, alright, it's not the winning security code. You see, they give us the 20 crowns and they put the 20 crowns in a bowl. And each crown is security code. Kaya ang winning number po is the numbers and the security code. And that's in the poster. So technically, makakalusot ang Pepsi sa palagay namin, technically. Ang reklamo namin sa DTI is that when they explain this game to us, we assume, no, that is the case, that the winning number, right, in the winning number, security code is only to see if it's fake or not fake. Now, they did not explicitly say that they're going to have winning and non-winning numbers. Now, it is our judgment, that the anticipation of one number having winning and non-winning numbers was not contemplated. So in fairness to Pepsi, they did not intend for this to happen. That's why they did not explain it to us. Because it was never planned. Okay? And what really happened is that in all the countries, it has never occurred like that. That the number is winning and non-winning. Never. It's only happened here. So in fairness to Pepsi, they did not deceive us. They really did not foresee this. And because they did not foresee this, they were correct. Only 20 will win.